everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to a useful multiboot tool called AIO Multiboot. This tool can help you put many different operating systems and tools onto one flash drive. First thing you want to do is download the tool from the link in the description below. Once downloaded, open the file and make sure you have a USB flash drive connected to your computer. Select your drive from the drop list. Check the Format to FAT32 checkbox. You can make the tool create two partitions such as FAT32 and NTFS by clicking the auto partition and checking the FAT32/NTFS box. Otherwise, just click OK. Once the process is done, we can add our bootable medias into the AIO tools by clicking on the Integration tab and choosing which operating system and also which version or flavor in case of Linux. Once we choose what system we want, we click OK and let the tool do its magic. Now we can also add tools like Acronis or Gpotted to the boot menu. If you're like me and you need everything to look fancy, then we can change the background image by going to the main tab and click Settings button. Image can be JPEG, but my experience was better using a PNG file. All you have to do is plug it to your computer, make sure Secure Boot is off, and select Boot from USB. And there you go. You got yourself one of the most easy to use working tools. Thanks for watching this. And don't forget to leave some comments in the below section so I know what's up. You know, I need to know what's up. You gotta tell me what's up.